Hello guys, we are back with our next lecture. In this lecture, let us go through the next question. Okay, so this question belongs to GATE CSC 2011. The given question is a deterministic finite automata DFA with the alphabets A comma B is given below. Okay, so this is the given diagram. So they are asking which of the following finite state machine is a valid finite DFA which accepts the same language. Okay, so there are two approaches to solve these type of questions, guys. So the best and the first approach will be you minimize it, okay, or else you can cross check whether a particular string. So you can check there are total 3 diagrams which will not be the correct answers, right? Yes, so you can take some strings and you can start matching in between them. Okay, yes, so what shall I do? So shall I do in both the methods? So let us try in the both the methods. Okay, yes, so let us first try with respect to trial and error method. Okay, yes. Okay, so I observed one string here. So here BB is not accepted, guys. So anything which is a starting with a BB will not be accepted, right? Yes. So BB will not be accepted, right? BB will not be accepted, right? BB will not be accepted, right? BB, yes. See here. So I told after BB, if anything is available, it will not accept. But here, if you observe, after BB, if I have A, it is going to come into final state. So if you want the visualization from here, for B I will go here, for the next B I will roam here, for after I will, if I have A I will come here. So indirectly A is accepted here, but that is rejected here. So B A rejected, right? Yes. So option D is wrong. Okay, so I think that is clear, right? Yes. So let us go through some other thing now. So BB pattern is done. Okay, so BA should be accepted here. Okay, yes, here also it is accepted, here also it is accepted, here also it is accepted. Okay, and one more crazy thing here is this a DFA, guys? Absolutely no. So C is also wrong, right? Yes, see here, so they clearly told that minimal DFA. So in DFA, for one transaction only one path will be there, right? But how come there are two paths there? So that's absolutely wrong. Okay, so now moving on to in between these two options. Okay, so what is there any string with respect to these two things, guys? So let us concentrate and let us identify it. Okay, it is accepting double A. Yes, we are going to also accept double A. Okay, so I think till here we got, right? So let us now try using our minimization method. Okay, so in minimization method, what we do, guys? So from here we are going to take what are non-final states. So P, Q, and our final states are S and T. Okay, yes. So now if you observe carefully, so even without drawing this also we can convert this into minimized form, guys. Okay, yes. Okay, so when it comes to P, if input is A, it is in its set, it's a set only. When its input is A, it is coming to this side, and when it comes to Q, okay, so in Q also when the input is A, it is coming here, but when the input is B, it is staying here, and similarly with R as well. So when R is okay, so R having input A or B, it is staying in itself only, right? Yes. Okay, and when it comes to S, if you observe carefully, yes, it is a self thing, right? So both of them are having self loop, guys. So blindly you can combine these two things into a single piece. So that is the trick which I told. You can directly conclude A is the correct answer. So I know most of the students will be like, okay, so we want at least one string with respect to B, right? Yes. So let me think of it, guys. Okay. So when it comes to B, is there any issue in B, guys? So AB. So everything is a deterministic only. Okay. Is there any other issue I want to find? Because I can conclude that A is the correct answer by using minimization method. But using our tricks also we should be able to do it, right? Okay. So here I can accept a single A. Here also I can accept single A. Okay. So here I can accept BA. Here also I can accept BA. Okay, so if after B anything can be accepted here. Okay, observe here. So here after A I can accept anything, right? But here after A I can reject a few things. So that is the issue here. So here if I have input A, B. So A, B will be accepted here, right? So A will come here, B will roam here. But when it comes to this diagram, so A will come here, but B will go there. That is a dead state. So now this is also wrong. So basically A is the correct answer. Got it? Yes. So I solved with both the methods, guys, right? Yes. Okay. So now you understood it. So both the methods are possible. And to solve this question, if you watch some other YouTube video, they might have solved in the different way. So these methods are having various approaches to solve them, guys. Okay. Yes. So now I hope everyone got a clear idea on this. So in the next lecture, let us continue with the next question, right? Yes. So let us meet in the next lecture. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe for more awesome videos like this. Thank you.